the big tip yesterday was when you respond or comment that you use more than 4 words and that you make it meaningful and relevant. Otherwise, relationships are built with these small interactions over the course of time, which I always say 7,300 a year if you take 10, 15, 20 minutes a day to do these things. And it's really important. Now, today, we're going to talk about how important it is to put your contacts, your friends, in lists. So on Facebook, on your personal page, you have lists. You have the ability to create lists. And the 4 lists I always recommend, Jimmy, are you put your friends in a list. You put your clients in a list. You put your prospects in a list. And first of all, in my opinion, you should never use public. When you do a post, Jimmy, you should never use public. And there's a lot of cyber crime that goes on. There's a lot of hackers out there, and there's a lot of stalkers out there, and they're looking for us. They're looking to see, oh my, Jimmy just listed, or Jimmy just has $1 million cash buyer. Well, they're going to stalk you, and you never know what could come out of that. And it is happening across the country. So we're going to show you how to create lists. Now, here's one of I'm going to segue here for a second. You create lists because you want to direct at your discretion who sees what you have to say.
Right.
You want it either to be your clients, you want to send them some information, the market stats or whatever. You want to send different things to your family. You want to send different things to your friends and different things to your prospects. And other than that, you shouldn't be spreading your information all over the internet. It goes everywhere and it never goes away either. So you go to the left-hand side of the screen and you'll see friends list down there. And when you click on that, you'll see that it has the ability in the center of the screen right there to create a list. And you can see all your friends so that you can put them in, and you can put friends in several different lists. So you can see I've got my Christmas card list. I've got my Facebook class list. I have my Las Vegas client list for John. And over the years, you can see I've done different lists for Agent Formula and the members and things like that. And these are people that I want to target a specific message to. So Kane, when you, oh God, help me today, create the list. We're going to create a list. So we're going to give the list a name, and I'm going to call it 2021. Let's see, I'm going to call it Super Best Friend List. No, let's call it that. We'll go with Kane. He's cute. Super Best Friends. Okay, there you go. So now you've named it, and now you can add members to it. Okay. Jimmy Dag. And that's all you got to do. All right. I'm going to go to Ruth Allbrand. Go here. There we go. So now what's on my mind? This is where I have the ability. Okay. Does everybody see the public? All right. We're going to click on that. And we're going to go to friends. Keep going. And now there's our Super Best Friends list. So we're going to click on that. And now we're going to say something. We're going to say, the whole world isn't going to know, just my super best friends. So then I'm just going to say post. And all of my super best friends just got that news.